Hi Librans, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute in Finite Healing, and I'm here to wish you a very, very happy new year. So let me see. I generally do videos per month, but this time I'm doing a video for this whole year. So let me see what the Libras can expect from this year. What I decided this time is I will actually choose 12 cards for each and every month, and I can give you a trailer for each and every month. Let me see what could be done. All right. So Libras, January. Wow. Very nice. Very good. So for the Librans, January will start with love. All right. Good relations, new people coming in their life. Oh my God. Librans is all about love this time, somehow. Everything about love I see for the Libras. So you might meet someone new. You might start uh, a good relationship in the sense of emotion and feelings. All right. But February, you might find yourself toggling in two situations, being in two minds. Maybe you're the same person, or maybe about the whole circumstance. So it's like a mental thing happening in your mind. You will have to deal with that. Um, that's February. March, you will definitely take a wrong decision unless you really consult an expert. All right, please meet me in March. I will really help you out because you might take a very, very bad decision relating to emotion and relations, and people around you will get affected. So we'll have to rethink of what decision you really want to take. Okay. Um. Again, April. See, this is all about love. You will actually meet someone from your, you know, past life, like the lovers. The card is the lovers card. You will actually meet someone like your soulmates. Like we in spirituality, we have a different take on soulmates, but I'm talking in the common language of soulmates. You will actually meet someone, but again, your decision making is a problem somewhere. So April, maybe the same person would come back, or you'll realize that this is the person. And very rarely these days we find this is the person. And you're lucky in 2023, you'll find that. Um, you need to do a little charity in May, but I have a different take on charity. I always say choose whom you do your charity with. I take my dowsing pendulum and check if I should be doing this charity or not. If I should be giving this much of money to this person or this sanstha or whatever. If it if you just give it and if that adds karma, what to do? What it means, you definitely ask me when you meet me. May is a little charity and investment time. June is good. You will help and benefit from someone emotional. One of your friend will really help you, and you will get that help. But not everyone gets help, especially when it comes to emotion. You will get a good advice, emotional advice, relationship advice, especially from someone above the age of 40. So please listen. And that I'm talking is in June. July, if you do not listen to this person, you will have a tower moment. Tower moment is when someone raises your expectations and puts you down. And it could be in shares, it could be in money, it could be in relations. But I don't know why for Librans, this whole year is about relationships, is what I feel somehow. August is celebration time, like marriage, mergers, celebration, birthdays, I guess, whatever. You'll be celebrating something in August. September, you will feel, you will again see it's all perception, it's all mind. You will feel as if others are targeting you. You will feel very insecure about people, especially because maybe you've had a lot of relations. So you'll feel little insecure about people. There's no need to feel insecure at all. Then October is a very good time. You might learn something education wise, or maybe a course you will take up, or you learn something, yes, very nicely. So add something new. All right. November, you will put a base to something new will start in your life, and this is not about relation, this is about your career and money. So you will invest in something which will reap the fruits later, and start a new project for sure, Librans. But in December, you might go through something like this, and don't get upset about it, because I always told you, you change your perception at the time of decision making, especially in February and March. If you take correct decisions, all this will change. Everything will change, especially for you. All right. So the tip for you is actually use a rose quartz. All right. For relations, you could also use an aventurine. Now this is an aventurine, the green one, and this is a rose quartz. You could use this for correct decision making and balancing relations as well. But you are given help, you are given opportunities. Please make the best out of that. All right. Have a very, very nice year, Librans. All right. Take care. See you soon.